kids wear from garments cutting wastage. Here is my team member. This is Amanur Islam Imam from Department of Textile Engineering.
And I am MD Ali Akbar, Department of Textile Engineering.
Today we are going to discuss about Bangladesh RNG sector, textile wastage and its impact on environment. What industry generally do with cutting wastages, what is cutting wastages and what we want to do actually from cutting wastage. Our working process, our human resource management, our cost management and our target customers' future scopes of development and why we are correct and our sustainable development goal. Well, this is the current situation of Bangladesh RNG sector. We batched 45.7 billion in 2022. 30.36% is our annual growth. In 2022, we are facing challenges like COVID-19 in China, Russia-Ukraine war, and our supply chain management. We have the crisis of gas and energy, high power of electricity or high price of power. We have lesser order due to lower demand in the European countries. We are facing political issues, lack of waste management. Above all, we are expecting to export $56 billion by 2026. This is textile wastage and its impact on environment. We can see 13 million tons of wastage from clothing retailers, blockchains, drains, canals, rivers and hampers, marine life. We have 15 to 20% of wastage come from cutting wastage. We have these wastages polluted our water and soil, and then we have to know what is cutting wastage actually. Cutting wastages come from a garment sample waste, marker cutting waste, and fabric waste in the production line. Then what industry generally do with cutting wastage? Generally they sell their wastage to different foreign countries. They sell this in local markets, make recycled yarn and fabric, and throw this in landfills sometimes. Now, what is our solution? Our solution is very simple. We want to use this cutting wastage to redesign our fashion. Our mission is to develop kids wear from cutting wastage in a sustainable way. We create employment opportunities, enhancing business opportunities. Our vision is to earn profit by reducing textile waste and environment pollution. These are our development opportunities. We want to work on sleeve, pocket, and pant of this product to increase the value of this product. We have many sources, but I mentioned one source here. We'll make contact with different retailers to give their products which are unsold for a long time. Now, where we can get our source of wastage? We can buy cutting wastage from garments, assuring that they didn't mix the different type of fabrics each other. We will use machineries like washing machine, iron machine, overlock, sewing machine. We need a scissor and measuring tape to develop our product. Now I want to request my teammate to briefly introduce you about more.
Thank you, Hassan. Now this is our working process. First of all, we have to collect the cutting wastage from local market. Then we have to sort them and then cutting them to get required shape as per garments requirement. Then we have to sew them and we have to wash them for different ways as per requirements from our order. Then we will finish the garments and get the final product. Then this is our human resource plan. demand forecasting. Demand forecasting will help us to determine the size and shape of the materials. Supply forecasting will help to know the size and potential human resource to meet our future demand. Determine human resource requirements that will help to know the what kinds of needs we have need, and then action plan. Action plan will help us to maintain the poor area section where workers are working very poor. Then we will establish the working sector, and monitoring and control. We have to ensure that which people are allocated and which are assigned to monitor them. So this is our human resource plan, and we should always keep in mind that right person in the right place is the key factor of success. So this is our cost management. Our resource planning consists of a small funding, support system, available employees, available sewing machine, and of course our emotional excellence to support our when we face problems, and our funding problem, etc. So this is our investment. Actually, we are invest for 100 similar products. So we need 5 overlock machine, 2 washing machine, 3 iron machine, scissor, 15 scissor, and measuring tape 10. And the price of overlock machine, it will be $1,800. Washing machine $6,200. Iron machine $51, and $37.5 for scissor, for 15 scissor, and $30 we need for measuring tape. And our total investment is 8,000 on 8.5 US dollar. And this is our salary expense. Worker distribution, we need to operate overlock machine 6 people. To operate washing machine we need 3 people. Cutting operator 3 people. Iron machine operator 3 people. Finishing packaging operator and others 4 people. Number of working days in a month, we have 20 days working days. Shift in a day, one day shift, another actor shift. We have one shift, each shift 8 hours. Total number of workers, we have to ensure 19 workers. Worker salary $150 per month for 90 workers, and per day our worker salary 142.5 per day. Total salary expense is ours 332.5 per day, dollar per day. We need 2 technicians. Each of the technician salary will be $20 per day. We need 1 assistant manager. His salary will be $20, and 1 manager salary $30 per day, and CEO, where 3 CEO, where our salary per day will be $120. Then this is our electricity expense. Our total electricity expense for washing machine, overlock machine, electric iron, and others. You can see the total electricity bill. Our total unit will be 35 unit approximately, and as per DPDC, we collected the 1 unit price for $0.0924, and our total electricity bill will be $3.24 dollar per day. So for 100 similar kids wire, our trade required our thread cost will be 6.25 per day, water and chemical cost $10 per day, and this is the marketing cost, maintaining cost, wastage, buying cost, machine hidden cost, workers and official lunch cost, transportation cost. The total estimate cost will be 4 on $2.826, and if we get $0.90 per kids wire from retailer, we will get $900 approximately, and after applying 50% tax, our total profit will be 4 on $4.0979, and so profit will be 46.01%. Thank you. That's all from me. I will request my next team member Ali Akbar to discuss her topic.
Thank you, Mohammad Iman Hossain. Basically, our target customers are kids and teenagers. And in this era, most of us using social media like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. So we have choose marketing strategy as digital marketing to connect our consumer. So why we have choose this segment? According to Fortune Business Insight in 2021, the kids apparel market was $187.29 billion. We already know that it was the near year 2022, that was COVID year, and we hope that within 2029 it will be touched in $296.85 billion.
Your time has already been finished.
We hope that it is a great opportunity for us. So these are some goals that are matching SDG. These are gender equality, decent work and economic growth, responsibility, consumption and production, and industry innovation and climate action. So why we are correct? Because we are creating better option in wastage management, reducing wastage, converting fast fashion to slow fashion, making employment opportunity, making business opportunity, and creating value-added product. Okay, well, we already think some future scope, like a backpack, gadget, marks, etc. We can collect the jeans wastage for making bag or gadget cover, bag or mask, etc. It's all about our presentation. Thank you, everyone. I love this.